Digital Solutions is a comprehensive program designed to empower small businesses with digital solutions, resources, and expert guidance to accelerate their growth, productivity, and efficiency in the digital age.
Digital Solutions has just been awesome for me as a startup, accelerate my journey to launch. And today I attended a beautiful workshop here, the Realise Business team, on the magic of Canva, which is really going to help me accelerate my social media presence as I look to launch my business next month.
Since I joined Realise Business, I have been able to understand different aspects of business that I was not aware of, and every time that I implement something, I'm making my business better and easier, and I'm just growing basically.
I have found the Digital Solutions webinars and workshops really helpful, especially with the sales and marketing. That's my weakness. It gives you such a good idea of how to actually do marketing. At the end of the day, your business won't survive without sales and marketing, so you best get in there and learn how to do it properly.
I've been a small business owner for the last 6 years. I run a small management consultancy based in Sydney. And if I've learned anything over those last 6 years, it's the importance of having a digital competence as a small business owner. In fact, in 2024 and beyond, being able to leverage the power of the internet, the power of digital marketing, the power of AI, the power of various softwares that are available to small business owners is no longer a nice to have. It's an absolute must for sustainability. The Digital Solutions Program is funded through the Commonwealth Government, and it's run through a nonprofit organization in Sydney called Realise Business that is no stranger to helping small business owners be able to build their digital capability. For only $45, which is a drop in the bucket, you get a tremendous return on investment for that $45. You get unlimited access to learning opportunities, webinars on a wide variety of topics, from cybersecurity to digital marketing to small business software to one-on-one bespoke digital advice from a digital expert that can help customize the needs and the challenges that I have as a business owner around the Digital Solutions Program as a solution for my small business.